Imagine earning money 24/7, even while you sleep, by letting AI chatbots do all the work for you. No office, no employees, just bots closing deals, answering customers, and handling complaints while you focus on growing your income streams. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, it's not. Right now, there's a gold rush happening under everyone's nose. Companies, big and small, are scrambling to adopt AI-powered customer service bots to save money, boost efficiency, and never miss a sale. They're tired of delayed responses, hiring headaches, and expensive support teams. What they crave now is instant, intelligent, on-brand support, and they're willing to pay you for it. Welcome to a business model that's scalable, evergreen, and shockingly easy to launch. You don't need coding skills, a huge budget, or a tech background. Just the right tools, the right pitch, and a strategy that turns AI chatbots into passive income machines. So buckle up, because today, we're revealing how to rent out AI chatbots, build automated systems for real businesses, and create a recurring revenue stream that grows like wildfire. Why businesses are paying for AI chatbots. Let's start with the why. Why would a company pay you, a solo operator, to install and manage AI chatbots for them? Because customer service is broken, long wait times, rude agents, poor follow-up. Every bad experience costs money and customer loyalty. But with AI, businesses can offer instant replies, 24/7 support, and zero downtime, all at a fraction of the cost of a human team. We're talking about restaurants, e-commerce stores, fitness coaches, consultants, realtors, and car dealerships. They all need automated, responsive customer engagement. And here's the kicker. Most of them don't know how to set it up. They've heard of ChatGPT, sure, but they don't know how to turn that into a customized sales assistant. That's where you come in. You become the bridge between AI and business. And no, you don't need to build the chatbot yourself. We're in the no-code era. Today's AI platforms let you create powerful bots with drag-and-drop ease, using simple workflows that feel more like Lego than programming. Top AI chatbot builders you can use. Tidio plus Lyro AI. Perfect for e-commerce businesses, this combo helps answer product questions, track orders, upsell items, and recover abandoned carts. Fully customizable and integrates with Shopify or WooCommerce. ManyChat, ideal for Facebook and Instagram. DM automation. You can build flows for answering FAQs, booking appointments, or collecting leads without ever typing manually again. Chatbase plus GPT-4. Feed this tool your client's website content, FAQs, PDF manuals, or product descriptions, and it trains a bot to answer questions like a human expert. Clean interface, powerful logic. BotPress. For more advanced use cases, BotPress lets you build multilingual, GPT-based assistants that plug into APIs, CRMS, or even HR systems. Great for larger companies. Landbot. This one's fantastic for lead generation via websites and WhatsApp. You can customize the tone, branding, and logic in minutes. Let's say you land 10 clients at $199 a month. That's nearly $2,000 a month in passive revenue, and all you had to do was set up a few bots using drag-and-drop tools. Most of the time, the hardest part is the first setup. Once you do that, the bot runs on autopilot with minimal maintenance. You can even white label your service. Rebrand the chatbot platform with your business name and offer it as a premium smart assistant service. Add onboarding calls, analytics reports, or monthly performance reviews, and you're charging $499 per month or more. If you specialize in, say, real estate, you can design bots that help clients book property viewings, answer listing questions, and qualify leads. Realtors will love you because it saves them hours of daily back and forth. And if you're in health and wellness, create bots that schedule sessions, deliver fitness tips, and manage subscriptions. AI chatbots aren't just software, they're virtual employees. And once a business sees that, your offer becomes irresistible. Now, let's zoom out a little, because we're not just talking about building bots. We're talking about monetizing your expertise at scale. You don't need hundreds of clients. Just a dozen high-paying recurring contracts can build a sustainable, low-maintenance business that grows without trading hours for dollars. Go to websites of small businesses in your niche. If there's no chatbot, or if the one they have feels clunky, send them a personalized video showing how your AI bot can improve their customer experience. Include a live demo. Keep it under 2 minutes. Follow up. Close the deal. Or go the freelance platform route. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and People Per Hour are filled with business owners looking for chatbot help. Set up a profile, showcase a few demo bots, offer an irresistible starter package, and watch the clients roll in. You've built the perfect AI chatbot. It's smart, fast, always available, and now it's time to turn that digital genius into cash. But not just any cash. Scalable, recurring income from businesses that are begging for smarter support systems. Position your chatbot as a profit-driving asset. Don't just say, "I've built a chatbot." Say, "I provide automated 24/7 customer service that saves companies thousands and boosts sales conversion rates." That's the magic phrase. Business owners don't care about the tech. They care about results. Frame your AI bot as a solution to pain points. Long customer support wait times. Missed sales opportunities outside business hours. Overwhelmed human staff. You're not selling software. You're selling time, money, and peace of mind. Build once, sell often. Once you've created a chatbot for a niche, say a real estate company, you can clone and tweak it for dozens of other agents or firms. Do the upfront work once, then license it over and over with minor customization. Popular niches that are desperate for AI chatbot automation: e-commerce, track orders, answer FAQs, upsell, healthcare clinics, book appointments, answer insurance queries, real estate, qualify leads, schedule viewings, fitness trainers, manage bookings, give program info, restaurants, take reservations, handle delivery updates. Your chatbot becomes a digital employee they can't live without. Use the best tools. No coding required. If you're not a developer, don't worry. Drag and drop chatbot builders with GPT integration are your best friends. Top platforms include ManyChat, great for Facebook, Instagram DMs, email, and SMS. Tidio, perfect for Shopify and small businesses. Chatfuel, easy for Messenger and Telegram bots. Landbot, stylish bots with great UX for websites. BotPress or Floweyes AI if you want a bit more technical depth and GPT-level smarts. Most of these tools let you white label the experience, meaning you can brand it as your own product. Even better, you can host it on your own domain. You're not just renting a bot, you're selling peace of mind. Your AI chatbot doesn't get tired, it doesn't take breaks, it doesn't ghost customers, and it never asks for a raise. If you're ready to turn a single chatbot into a full-time income, now's the time. Pick a niche, build a bot, clone it, then sit back as your AI empire works while you sleep. And don't forget, there are thousands of businesses out there right now, still answering customer queries manually. You could change that and profit massively. Start today. Your future self is already thanking you.